Today we're covering Shotcrete, sprayed concrete explained. Here's what you need to know. Quick answer. Shotcrete is pneumatically sprayed concrete that costs $10 to $25 per square foot and is ideal for pools, slopes, and repairs where forming is impractical. Wet mix and dry mix methods differ in rebound and early strength. Most projects cure to 95% strength in 7 to 14 days. Shotcrete, sometimes called gunite, is one of the most versatile concrete application methods available to homeowners and contractors, yet it remains misunderstood. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. Whether you're planning a pool renovation, stabilizing a slope, or repairing damaged concrete, understanding Shotcrete fundamentals will help you make an informed decision about cost, timeline, and contractor selection. This guide explains how Shotcrete works, when to use it, what it costs, and why hiring a certified operator, not just any concrete contractor, matters. Pay nothing until the work is complete. Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front, protecting homeowners from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines bad concrete contracting. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company specializes in both conventional and sprayed concrete applications, from driveway repair to pool construction. Shotcrete, pneumatically applied concrete, costs between $10 and $25 per square foot depending on thickness, mix design, and site access, and is often preferred for curved surfaces, steep slopes, and hard-to-reach areas where traditional forming and pouring is impractical. Unlike most contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. The sprayed concrete process requires specialized equipment and certified operators, making contractor selection critical to project success and longevity. Moving on to what is Shotcrete and how does it work? Shotcrete is Portland cement concrete that is sprayed pneumatically, using compressed air, onto a surface at high velocity. Unlike conventional concrete poured into wooden or metal forms and finished by hand, Shotcrete is delivered through a hose and ejected from a nozzle, where it consolidates on impact. The high-velocity application creates a dense, low-void matrix, typically 95% density, that bonds mechanically to the substrate, whether that substrate is rock, earth, existing concrete, or steel. The term gunite is often used interchangeably with Shotcrete, though gunite technically refers to the dry mix variety, explained below. According to the American Concrete Institute, ACI, Shotcrete must meet ACI 506R standards for materials, application procedures, and quality control. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.